Step 1. Identify the damage. Inspect the lace base carefully to locate any tears or weakened areas. Step 2. Prepare your tools. Grab a piece of lace thread that matches the color of the base, a fine needle, and some steady hands. Step 3. Thread the needle. Carefully thread the lace, ensuring it's secure and ready for precise stitching. Step 4. Stitch with care. Begin stitching along the tear, making small, even stitches to seamlessly mend the base without adding bulk. Step 5. Secure the thread. Once the tear is closed, tie off the thread securely and trim any excess. Pro tip: keep some spare lace on hand for practice before working on a client's piece.